SC Builders, we're a mid-sized commercial contractor. We're here in the Silicon Valley, so we build for a lot of tech companies. To be able to communicate, make sure we're getting documents to the right people and cost effectively. I mean, these things are essential, but especially in construction because we deal with so many people.
You spend a lot of extra time with follow-up and making sure that everybody had everything that they needed. I think what we get out of BuildingConnected is the consistency of the distribution, so we really get to see who's getting documents, who's opening it, and getting confirmations back.
One of the biggest things when adopting a new platform is how much effort do we need to put into to get that platform up and running for us. But with BuildingConnected's model and the fact that all the subcontractors can put themselves in there, or we can quickly add them into the system, we were convinced that this is great.
Before BuildingConnected, I mean, we used Excel spreadsheets, we used emails.
It was very cumbersome. Using BuildingConnected, it's all in one central spot. So instead of a day-long process, it can simply be done in a couple hours.
We are now able to give them a spreadsheet that comes directly out of BuildingConnected. The owners absolutely love being able to see that.
BuildingConnected's bid leveling tool has been an asset for us to get our documents presented to our clients in a clean and presentable fashion.
BuildingConnected is exactly what the construction industry needs. It is allowing us to take a process that has been very clunky and make it smooth.